Hi, SVVY. My name is Joy Marie Hamidi, 24 years old and aspiring caregiver from the Philippines. I am here to express my intent to be part of SVVY family and to pursue the best education opportunity abroad. So for my academic background, I completed my elementary education in a public school and I was part of a special science program in junior high school. For senior high school, I was under STEM strand specializing in engineering and information technology. For college, I took up BS Chemical Engineering and studied until first semester of my fourth year. Throughout my academic journey, I was a consistent honor student, graduating third honorable mention in elementary and earned high honors and with honors both junior high school and senior high school. So beyond academics, I was also actively involved in extracurricular activities. In fact, I serve as one of the leaders of Red Cross Youth Organization and was recognized as one of the most outstanding Red Cross volunteer during our graduation. Additionally, I was part of the school journalism team and participated in press conferences. Furthermore, I was also a volunteer in an organization that helps eradicate child labor in our province. So to tell you more about myself, during my fourth year in college, I was offered an opportunity to be a volunteer in Germany. So I took the opportunity and chose a different path rather than finishing my degree because I saw it as a new opportunity that will give a valuable experience in my life. In there, I work as a kindergarten staff, assisting children with their activities and as well as preparing their meals. With that experience, I immersed myself in a different culture and was able to learn to speak and understand basic German language. Beyond my role as a kindergarten staff, I was also exposed in different work assignments such as homes for the elderly and workplaces for persons with disability. That time, my volunteer journey had influenced my career aspiration, leading me to pursue caregiving as a profession rather. So I did discover that I had a true passion in helping others and making a positive impact in their lives. Now I am very eager to further my education abroad to help me enhance my skills and knowledge in this field. With that, I am seeking SVVY app for their guidance and expertise in choosing the best school for me. That's all. Thank you.